Wait, are you gonna do that?
Like
Can you
what?
move here? Are you ready?
So what I have to
Look
do?
at my forehead. No, I'm not done yet. I need to do my intro. It's weird. Let me do it.
Very weird.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm with Mr. Bear, Dan, Danny Boy. Yeah, Daniel, and he will do my makeup. So yeah, this is gonna be awkward. I have all my makeup in here. Do you know what to do?
I know what to do.
You do? Here you go.
Where are we starting? Lipstick or?
No, it's up to you. I can't tell you what to do. I have nothing on my face, by the way. I just got out of the shower and
It's gonna be
did my
bad,
skincare.
babe. It's gonna be bad.
Ooh, okay. Wow.
Should I start with this?
No, it's up to you. You can
Really?
start with, yeah, whatever.
What is this?
I don't know. What is that?
Complexion. Face cream.
Yeah, face cream. Okay.
That won't be good for powder though, will it?
Sorry?
If I put that on first before I do powder, is that a good idea or not?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I know, but I can't tell you. Do whatever you want. It's okay. You can make mistakes. This is not your
Right.
thing. What is it? Mary Kay CC cream.
Alright.
Okay. Oh, that feels good.
Does it?
Yeah. You need to cover my blemishes.
Okay. So maybe this really does go on first. Then maybe it holds the stuff.
Ooh.
Maybe. I don't know.
It's kind of like what? Paste or glue something?
You like doing this?
What do you mean you like doing this?
Like you like, I don't know. Or could we do number one?
Oh, by the way, that vlog reaches like 2K plus likes. And
Pretty
he
good.
asked for only 1,000 likes. So that means they really want to see you. We will do this again. I mean, not the same video, but...
That looks good.
Yeah?
Yeah, that looks good.
Ooh, it does look good.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm actually not supposed to...
Look at yourself.
Yeah, look at
That's
myself.
too hard. You got that. You can't.
I know.
You can look at yourself.
I have a
Just
flip
don't give me
screen.
any hints.
Yeah, okay. Well, I can't really see from here. It's kind of far, so I can't really see the details. So
Is
you're
that
now
work?
using... Everything works. I have all my brushes right here. And of course it works. Everything works. Did you say this is... Does
No,
this work?
this is wet. It felt wet. That
No,
looks
it's not
too-
wet.
That looks too big.
I actually like that brush because it's big.
This is easy.
You are... Oh, really? You can be a makeup artist then. This is the Color Collection powder something.
This is what that comes off that. No, I don't like that one.
You don't like that one?
What's better about this one?
It's the same thing, just different shade.
I'll make it black.
Oh!
Darker colour. Stay still. I can't.
Can you show them what you're using? He's using the BYS Contour Trio. And he's using the bronzer shade.
I bet I like it. This looks really good.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's dark.
It's dark. You like me dark?
I like you dark. Once you go black, you never go back.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Once you go black,
You
you'll
never
never
go
go back. Make me beautiful. I'm going to a party.
You already are beautiful, babe.
Thanks.
Thanks.
More beautiful. You like this brush? You don't think it's too small? You like it?
No, it's fine.
It's fine?
It's fine. I want to do your eyebrows.
Ooh, yeah, good idea.
I need
You can do this.
I need a pencil.
This can be your job.
Eyeliner? You want to use that for your eyebrows?
Yeah. It's up to you. What do you think?
Lip liner? Use that later on.
See, that one is broken, babe.
Don't worry about that one.
Hello! It's there, it's back! I thought I lost this!
Just gonna
Because it
pass
falls off. Allah, you see? I told you.
Alright.
This is the Color Collection eyebrow pen. Why?
No, I reckon it's me, not you. This is gonna be bad. This is gonna be bad. I'm sorry.
It's fine. Do whatever you want. I'm your canvas. They always say my eyebrows are always on fleek. Is it gonna be on fleek now?
Nah.
No?
Like a drag queen.
It's fine. Why is it so dark? Okay.
Let's do the other one. Let's do this. Maybe.
Yeah,
I think.
look at this. Oh. What?
Nah, that's wrong. But
No, it's wrong. This didn't work.
Nah,
No.
this I did this wrong.
This didn't
I
work.
tried to do it again.
Okay.
You know what I did? I went too hard.
Oh, be gentle with my eyebrows. When you go back to the Philippines, you should eat balut. When he went, he didn't eat balut at all. He didn't even like taste even the juice because it's too gay. But yeah, next time you should do it and we will film it. If this reach how many thousands?
1 million already.
If this video reaches 1 million likes, he will eat balut and we will film it.
See, I reckon that's not bad. That's better. This one's better.
Yeah? Should we put the camera closer? We'll see.
It's not bad. It's not great.
It's fine. Do whatever you want.
First shot, it's not bad. It's my first time. First and last. Can I take that off? What can I use to take that off?
A makeup wipe?
Oh yeah, let me grab one.
I like that you want me to be perfect. I have it in the bathroom.
Okay.
In the second drawer. Green tea makeup wipe.
Da, 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 da.
I like that you're actually trying to make this work. I don't like the smell of that wipe, do you?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
I don't like it. It kind of smells funky.
Green tea.
Yeah, I don't like green tea. Wow, babe, that's my eye. Be careful.
I have to get it off.
You're like rubbing my eyeballs off.
We might let that dry for a bit.
Oh, blow. I don't have much.
You don't really, do you? You got enough though.
Yeah, I got enough. I don't need any more. No more shopping for me.
No more shopping.
What eyeliner for my eyes?
Michelle, what colour was I using before, babe? Was I using this on your...
On my eyebrows?
Yeah.
Either of the two. You got
Are they
two.
the same?
No, not really the same.
Pretty
I
close.
think-
I want to do your eyes. Alright, so this is a powder to do your eyelids.
Can you show them? This is the BYS Nude 2 palette. This is the only eyeshadow I have.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I don't use it.
We're gonna go with Flirt.
Oh, flirt. You're using the shade Flirt?
Yeah.
Yawns.
Can't really tell.
Yeah?
I want to go this one.
The shade?
Ooh. Now you can tell.
Now you can tell.
Looks like you have black eye now.
You want me black?
You know what I want to do as well, babe?
What?
I want to make that little, you know, they do that little...
Oh,
Yeah.
the cat eye.
The cat eye.
Wow, I don't even do cat eye anymore.
Did you sit up?
No, not really. Not on a daily. Like, I used to do it on makeup looks.
I like the cat eye.
You like the cat eye?
Yeah.
I'm just not good at it. It takes me, I don't know how many minutes to perfect it. You want something like pencil-like? There's this.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that one. Do you know how to draw? Like for real?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Are you good at it?
I am actually.
You are?
Yeah.
You should draw something for me then.
I am. Drawing your face. This cat eye. So
No, seriously, babe. Like drawing? You know how to draw? Like,
Yeah, I do.
really?
Yeah, I'm good at that. I'm serious.
Your penmanship is so chaka though, you can't tell. No, seriously, you're like a doctor.
Open the game, let it go. Okay, that's alright.
Yeah, you like it?
Nah, it's not great, but it's not gonna be. It's gonna be my own style of cat eye.
Yeah. This is your own style. This is not mine at all.
Cool. Alright.
You're satisfied with that?
Yeah, I reckon it's honest.
Oh, okay. What do you draw though?
Anything.
Anything? Can you draw a person?
I can draw a portrait.
Oh, you're not kidding.
I'm kidding. I can draw. I can draw though. I can draw.
You can draw?
I can draw. Just
Have you tried drawing like portraits and stuff like that?
yeah, I probably can have a shot drawing. Yeah, I'm not very good at portraits though.
Really?
Oh, I'm not like an expert drawer. I can draw.
Like sample, you know?
Singapore.
Singapore sample.
Not loving this side as much.
You don't? That happens all the time, babe. It's not gonna be the same at all. Like, it's not gonna be 100% the same. You're doing it on the bottom line.
I am. I am.
I didn't know.
Yeah, so
I just wasn't expecting that. Didn't see that coming at all.
let me take that off.
I was like,
I'm not loving that bottom line.
I was like, I'm feeling something on my bottom line. Now the CC cream and the powder that you applied on my face, it's now all gone, babe. I mean, that part right there.
That's alright, we can sort that out.
Do you like it?
Ah, it's alright.
It's alright.
It's alright.
It's alright.
Alright, let's do this one. So maybe I should have just gone straight for, not do the outline, just go straight for colouring it in. Just put some of this back on your face.
Oh. CC cream is back. I actually really like that CC cream.
Yeah, I think it's good as well. It's
Yeah.
good cover up.
Good cover up. Did it cover my blemishes? I think it did.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have like 3 blemishes on my nose.
Yeah, stop scratching your nose.
I didn't scratch my nose. It's a pimple.
Let me put more of this on.
Ooh.
Oops.
Do you like these brushes then?
Nah.
No?
Nah.
Why? Do you think they look weird?
Yeah, they look real. I like this one.
I like it. It's big. I like big brushes.
Let's do your lips.
Okay.
Alright.
What shade do you like on my lips?
What is this for?
I have a lot of lipsticks here.
You do. I like red.
I think this one is red. Just pull.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. That one is the Color Collection lipstick. That smells good.
Sorry?
It smells good.
Looks good.
Why do you like red on me? I don't even wear red.
Close your mouth. Look like a clown.
You don't like it?
I'm not loving it. But I'm not going to change it. We'll stick with it. It doesn't suit the rest of your makeup.
No, it doesn't go with the eye makeup.
No, let's take it off. Don't like it.
Okay.
I'm going to put this on you.
This is a trial and error makeup look.
Alright, beautiful. Very cool.
Thank you.
Alright, you got purple things. This will suit. Is this for your lips?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why?
I like it.
I think I worn it in video once.
Yeah, it's very
Different?
purple. Yeah, it's different. I like.
It smells so good, babe. Yeah, right?
Yeah, it does. I don't know how to do the top lip. Let's see that. Let me just.
It's different.
I'm gonna use some lip liner as well.
Lip liner.
Alright, this is the one. This suits it better. No, you can't really tell. Maybe this is meant to use afterwards.
The lip liner?
I'll just fix this up a bit.
You use it before the lipstick.
Yeah.
You look so good, babe. Next time I'll do your makeup.
Oh, no way.
No?
No, this goes on the internet. No way. Alright, let's do mascara and then I reckon we're done.
Do you want to curl my lashes first?
Ooh.
Careful. Do you want me to close my eyes or what?
Yeah, okay. Oh, I don't know if these will reach. Are these the wrong way? Yeah, you got the little.
I don't know. Do Be careful. I have like I don't know 5 lashes. I don't want you to take one of it.
Oh, it's gonna end in tears.
Babe, I'm
It's gonna end in tears.
Why are you doing it like that?
Because you got little
Just
eyelashes.
do it the normal way. What do you want me to do? Close my eyes.
Well, how are you meant to do it?
Like I do it when my eyes are open. So I'm just scared though. Do it like slowly. Yeah. You're closing your eyes. No. You need to open your eyes when you do it.
Don't worry about it.
Yeah, let's not do that.
Oh
my gosh.
Oh, so it feels more fun.
The Eye of Horus mascara feels more fun.
Who is it?
Eye of Horus.
Okay.
Close open.
Up to you. We'll sort it out. So much work goes into doing makeup. So much effort.
I felt the wand of the mascara like rubbing on my eyeball. It's not just for lashes apparently, it's for your skin. What are you gonna do next? Oh, using the same brush. Perfect. Just using the BYS Contour Trio again, but the blush.
This one. We're done.
We're done? Do you like it?
No.
I'm done. Let me see.
It's not horrible.
Ooh, look at that cat eye though.
It's like not really the best cat. It's kind of too fat. It is.
This one looks good, like if it's just like right here, but the same shape, it's gonna be perfect. This one looks like a mustache.
I know, it's one a bit funny. I can fix it, let me just quickly.
Okay. Are you sure you want to fix it?
No, that's good.
But am I done?
You're done.
I'm done?
I'm done.
Okay, let's review it. My face looks good. I mean, I think you blended the CC cream well. My blush.
I like the lipstick.
Yeah, I think the
colour.
lipstick is my favorite part as well.
It's not a complete disaster.
No, not bad at all.
It's probably
I like the lipstick.
Probably out of 4 out of 10.
The lipstick?
No, the
Or
whole face. The whole
oh,
face.
4 out of 10.
4 out of 10. Yeah.
Yeah. I can't really see the makeup look though. Oh, the eyeshadow's not that bad at all actually, babe. And the eyebrows. I like this. I like this.
Really?
Yeah. This eyebrow. I like it. I think they will like it as well. Right? It's not bad at all.
I don't think they will.
You don't think they will like
It's a
it?
better job than your brothers did on your face.
Oh, yeah, right. I have my brothers do my makeup video.
You should link that one up to this one. And
I
Raina
will.
both. Yeah.
Yeah.
He does a better job.
Nah, you did better.
Well, they went more gang-ho. I think they did it for fun.
They did.
I do it too seriously.
They didn't really want to do it, but they just did. But yeah, that's the makeup look. Let's do a thumbnail.
What's that?
Thumbnail?
What's a
like
thumbnail?
Thumbnail picture?
I'd have to pose.
Yeah. The things you do for me. Now, do you wanna look funny or do you wanna look guapo?
No, I don't care.
Thumbnail.
I don't care how I look.
Nah, that's it! What do you guys think? Oh, let me know what video you want to see next with this guy right here. Do you want to do a video?
Only if you get 5,000 likes, I'll do another video. If you don't get 5,000, I'm not going to do any more videos with you.
5,000 likes.
5,000.
If this video reach 5,000 likes, you will do another video?
Yeah, and if it doesn't, I won't do a video again.
Oh!
I retired. I retired from YouTube. One and only.
5,000 likes,
5,000.
you guys. What do you want to do though? Bean Boozle challenge?
Okay.
My boyfriend tag. Like, we will answer questions about each other.
Okay. Alright.
Yeah?
Alright.
If it reaches 5,000 likes.
Alright, yeah. It won't.
Dang.
So it's fine. It won't.
Nagliligpit ka na. That's it for this video. Stop making noises.
I'm cleaning up.
I need to do the outro first.
Okay.
Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do like. 5,000 likes, he will do another video with me. So 5,000. Okay? Yes. Let's do it. Let's do it. I think it's fun.
Cool.
Do you like this?
Wrap it up.
Wrap it up.
I'm done.
Bye.
Bye.
Begin.